Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts in the series of Microsoft Word. Today I will show you how to create a table in Microsoft Word. For this, first of all, type the word in the search box. Here you can open the Word. It's 2019 Word. So options options are there. You have to just click on blank document. Now here you can create the table by three ways. Click on the insert menu. So here click at the drop down. So it's telling you a table is a great way to organize information within your document. So this is a grid. This is a grid of 3 by 3 means 3 columns and 3 rows. This horizontal is called the columns. And these are called the rows. Vertical are the rows and the horizontal are the columns. Whatsoever you will select, the grid has been become orange and it's drawn on the Microsoft Word. Okay. Here you can type your text. City, sales, cost, profit. Right. In this way you can edit your text. Second method to make draw a table is to click on the second option of draw table. Just drag this to the appropriate length and width, and now you can draw the rows and columns manually. Okay. This is a pencil. Here in this way you can draw the rows and column, and then by pressing the tab from the keyboard you can increase the number of rows. Means you first decide the number of rows in a number of columns in a table, and then by pressing the tab you can add as many rows as you wanted in a Microsoft Word. Okay. The third method to create, let's delete this. Third method is to click on insert, click here, and then click on the insert table. Here a window is coming. In this you can type the number of rows and columns. I wanted the 4 columns and the 3 rows. Okay, click on OK. In this way you can add. The cursor is in the second column. Now type here sales, cost, profit. If you want to highlight this first row, then select the row, press the shift button and the arrow key from the keyboard. You will select the first row. Then here, when you insert a table, then the two extra bars are added in the Microsoft Word. One is design and another is layout. Here at the drop down menu you can select any of the design. Okay, whatsoever you like you want the green one or the black one, blue one. I prefer the blue one. So here if you just check the banded rows and banded rows. Banded row means it's highlighted in certain colors. Alternate rows. If you just adding the rows by clicking the tab button from the keyboard. Okay. Every alternate rows is highlighted. If you just uncheck the banded rows, then the alternate rows will highlighted option will just disappear. Okay. Now the layout can also be changed. Here you can do the structural changes, like if this is a column. If you want to split the cell, this is called the cell. It is the intersection of rows and column. If you click on the split cell, you want to split in the 2 columns and 1 rows. Okay, see here the 2 columns has been inserted. Okay, in this way you can do various things. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for all the other videos of this channel. Until then, goodbye and good luck.